Alaskans seem to always be on the move. Here, there, just about everywhere.
The combination of the parking garage and the transit center has really been a plus for all of downtown. Increases the activity down here and certainly the recognition and identity of transit in the downtown.
We want to do more, and so we're going to really work towards increasing the service area and increasing the quality of service. I believe those are things that people in Sitka really feel good about.
The Alaska Mobility Coalition represents public, private, and community transportation providers from around the state.
One of the reasons people don't take the bus is because it's not convenient. So make it more convenient, more buses, more frequent.
Gas prices got pretty high. We got a few more people that were interested in riding the bus then. Had a lot of people that were riding in to get to the fair and getting home from the fair, and just kind of the opportunity to get around and not have the hassle and the headache of having to drive yourself.
Working together, we help keep Alaskans on the go, connecting customers with businesses, workers with employers, Alaskans with Alaskans. In Alaska, the going is good.